For the quadratic function f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 5x minus 3, find a, the equation of the line of symmetry, b, the coordinates of the vertex, and then verify your results using the GDC. Okay, so we've got f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. If we write down the general form of a quadratic, it's ax squared plus bx plus c. So we're going to have that a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5, and c is equal to minus 3. Now, the equation of the line of symmetry is given by x is equal to minus b over 2a. So we can find our equation of symmetry by doing x is equal to minus 5. You need to be careful, you need to put it into brackets. Minus 5 divided by 2 times a, which is 2. Minus 5 is 5, and then 2 times 2 is 4. And we must remember this is an equation, so we must remember to give our answer as an equation. So this is a vertical line, x is equal to 5 over 4. Now we need to find the coordinates of the vertex. So writing down our function again, f of x is 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. The coordinates of the vertex are going to be the x coordinate of the line of symmetry, which is minus b over 2a, which we just calculated to be 5 over 4. And then what we do is we take 5 over 4 and we put it in here instead of x to find the y coordinate. So f of 5 over 4 means everywhere there's an x, we replace it with 5 over 4. So it's going to be equal to 2 times 5 over 4 squared minus 5 times 5 over 4 minus 3. Now in your exam you have a calculator, but you can actually do it without. So let's just do it without to begin with. So we've got 2 times 5 squared is 25, 4 squared is 16. So 5 over 4 squared becomes 25 over 16. Minus 5 times 5, which is 25 over 4. Take away 3. Right. 2 and 16 will cancel, so 2 goes into 2 once, and into 16 8 times. Now to add fractions together you need a common denominator, so to make these a common denominator we've got 25 over 8, we'd have to multiply that by 2, so we'd have to do the same for the numerator, so we're going to get minus 50 over 8. This is 3 over 1, so we're going to get a denominator over 8, we're going to have to multiply that 3 by 8. And we get 24 over 8. So 25 minus 50, because we can just do the numerators now. 25 minus 50 is minus 25. Minus 25 going back another 24 will take me to minus 49 over 8. So we can, or minus 6 and 1/8. That's 8 into 49 is 6. Remainder 1 over 8. So the coordinates of the vertex is 5 over 4 minus 49 over 8, or we could write it as 1 and 1/4 minus 6 and 1/8. Now we're asked to actually verify this using our GDC. So let's go to our GDC. When we start our GDC, we're going to go to graphing mode, and we're going to put in our function, which is 2x squared minus 5x minus 3, enter. This is not a very good view window, so we can actually zoom in onto this bit here using a box zoom. So to do that we do menu, Windows zoom, and we go to number 2, zoom box. Very useful, this one. Set the first corner to somewhere around there, and to go all the way down. So we got, and then press enter, and then press escape. Okay, so we've got a reasonable looking graph. We're just going to move the label out of the way. Okay, the vertex is going to be this point here. To find that with the GDC, we need to do menu, analyze the graph, and there's a minimum. If it round the other way, we have to find the maximum. So we go to minimum, we go to slightly to the left of it, enter, and then to the right of it, we enter. And see we get 1.25, which is the same as 1 and 1/4, and minus 6.125, which is the same as minus 6 and 1/8. Now, to draw on the line of symmetry, which we can do. Just going to move that label again. Okay, just move it out of the way there. And just going to move. Okay, so draw a line of symmetry. Then we do the following: Command G, and then go to Menu, Graph, Edit, Entry, Edit, and then go to Equation Templates, number 1 line, and then we go to vertical line x is equal to c. Now the line of symmetry was 5 divided by 4, or 1.25. Put on enter, and then we get. Now if you wanted to now make that a different colour, select the line and then do Control Menu, and you'll get right click, and you can change the colour to red or something else, other colour. And if you do the same again, Control Menu, okay, and go to number 3, Attributes, scroll down to this one and hit that twice, and then press enter. You get a dotted line like that. So we verified that the line of symmetry is x is equal to 5 over 4, and that the vertex is 1.25 minus 6.125 using my GDC. So this has been a video to show you how to calculate the vertex of a quadratic function and its line of symmetry. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you understood.